Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to be talking about Holy Thursday and the act of visiting 7 churches. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below, there's links to various websites, including a link to Amazon.com that has the Easter book and all the books in the best-selling series San Miguel de Allende Secrets. Following an ancient San Miguel de Allende tradition, people visit 7 churches to view special altars depicting Jesus before his death and eat various types of bread. The lines to enter can be very long, so visiting any 7 can take some time. Luckily, outside any church are food vendors. The act of visiting 7 churches reinforces the solemnity of the week. In the past, one left the Temple of Good Health to go to St. Dominic's Church, representing St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. Then you visit the Temple of the Third Order, the Parochia, the Immaculate Conception, St. John of God, St. Anne, and St. Francis churches. Lastly, a visit was paid to the House of Loretto Chapel in the Oratorio. Today, the faithful can visit churches in any sequence or location they choose, and due to the huge influx of people viewing scenes of the crucifixion in each church, downtown streets are shut off to traffic. Personally, I would not advise driving in San Miguel de Allende during Holy Week, as traffic frequently gridlocks. 7 churches are chosen to reflect Jesus' last words of, "Forgive them, Father, for they know not what they do." Yeah, in English the phrase expands into 10 words, but who's counting? In any case, feel free to click subscribe now and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they appear here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.